this is Mark. So I got some jalapeno chicken with pineapple from Domino's here. Thought I'd try it out. Also have the sweet mango habanero sauce and also some ranch sauce. So here it goes. And here's the chicken. I'll go with the sweet sauce first, which is right here. Okay, ready. Hot. That's pretty darn good, actually. Let me try one more. Just chicken. And one more. This is with the jalapeno. Excuse my office, but it's a mess. So. Not bad. Now, I want to try the chicken and jalapeno along with this pineapple here into the ranch. It's okay. It's okay. If you get this, go with the this right here, the sweet mango sauce. Okay. And it does sting a little bit, which is good. The ranch is okay, but the sweet mango sauce is a lot better. So try that. And I'll just finish this up. Have a good one, guys.